People have gathered at Chief Mumena's palace in Kalumbila district in Northwestern Province to commemorate the 20th anniversary of Chief Mumena's reign. National Guidance and Religious Affairs Minister Godfrida Sumaili, who was the guest of honor, delivered a goodwill message from President Edgar Lungu to Chief Mumena.
I bring a message from His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zambia, who was very elated when he heard about this event today. He is very grateful, very, very grateful for your patriotism as an individual, the way you have made yourself available to national issues, to the concerns of government. You have been a distinguished, capable partner to government.
And Chief Mumena thanked President Lungu and the government for the support and development that his chiefdom has received from the time he ascended to the throne.
And thank you so much for the goodwill message from the President, His Excellency Dr. Edgar Chagwa Lungu. These are the two people I call my uncle, him and the President. We refer to each other, but he's my President. So we really appreciate for the support that the President has given and how he himself is here. The entire government is here, and that shows that our President is also here and he has supported this royal establishment. And the last time he came to visit, he was sitting right where my minister is sitting.
Later, during the commemoration, Chief Mumena publicly repented to God on behalf of the chiefdom and his own behalf for various atrocities that may have taken place in the land. The chief also anointed Reverend Sumaili, Northwestern Province Minister Nathaniel Mubukwano, and various people, blessing and wishing them prosperity in their lives. The reign of Chief Mumena has seen several developments taking place in the land, such as water and sanitation, infrastructure and education, among others. With a new era of Yahweh beginning in the chiefdom, more is expected to happen. Justine Kawisha, ZNBC News, Kalumbila.